So this is a US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday the 28th of September. Let's just see what's actually happened here with prices. Now, prices earlier in the week did come down to the 1160 level and found support where it bounced based on the confluence of the 200 period moving average on this hourly chart, as well as the 1160 level. Now, prices have come up and it has broken, and it does appear to have held the 1252 level. It price continued to the upside, and usually I would expect it to go on to test 1356. We've sold back off a little bit before actually getting up to the 1356. We've sold off from 1325, and we've come all the way back down and seem to have found support at this moving average here in red, with prices not really indicating a reversal, in that the candles are marginally higher. So even though price is slightly trending to the upside, even though the candles are marginally closing higher while being supported to the downside on this moving average, it's not something I like to see, to be honest. I like to see if prices do come down, that the candles look similar to like over here, where we're getting strong closes above the previous low, really strong closes. If there are candles to the short side, they're small in nature, they'll have wicks at the bottom of them, suggesting there are buyers buying them up, which for me would be indicating that the further continuation to the upside. Now, we've had this large candle to the downside at 3 p.m. today. Like I was saying, I do think it's news related, but prices, while they have gone on to test the 1252, and it does appear that it is currently held, I would like to see better price action here. I would like to see candles closing higher in relation to the ones previous to them, not marginally higher with a degree of indecisiveness. So at present, we might just see prices sell back off down to retest at 1252. Below that, we'll be looking at possibly somewhere in the range of the weekly open at 1215, and this I think is a 50-period moving average at 1235, so in that 20-point zone. But if I was going to choose something, I would definitely look at the 1215, because we did have some consolidation over here as well. Now, my overall view on the market is a bullish one on the US dollar Japanese yen. So if we have a look at the monthly time frame and get this scaling correctly, we did post this, you could say it's our higher low over here. Also, it's in a similar region to, well, this all the way down there at 100. But yeah, this is a monthly chart. So let's just have a look at the price over here. We've had wicks on the lower end of candles, suggesting there are buyers in the market. Currently we're trading well above this month's open. This month opened at 109.96. Just imagine, let's just say that's 110, and we're currently just over 200 and coming on 80 pips above that level. So on the monthly, based on the monthly open, we are bullish. We do appear to be on the monthly trend, however, to be in a bit of a pullback, but we are bullish on the weekly. Let's just have a look. The weekly, we are, again, you would say we are bullish, because you could argue that even though we've violated the most recent low around the 108 level, we've come down and was immediately brought up with a strong price actions with the candle on, when was that, the 11th, week of the 11th closing near its highs, and the week after that we closed pretty strong bullishly, and this week we are trading bullishly as well. So overall, I do hold a bullish bias. I am expecting in the mid to long term, or the medium term, to test the 1356, then eventually 1430. And 1430, I'll just quickly show you on the charts. I've shown you previously, but this might be the first time watching the videos. 1430. Yep, there's 1430 there, and as you can see, price has come up there and reversed on 2 occasions over the past couple of months, here in May and also in July. And what have I done there? No. If I put this back, put that back where it was. There we have 14. I'm sure it was a 1480. Well, yep. So 1430 is an area I'll be looking at. As you can see on this daily chart, we do appear to have formed something what appears to be a bull flag in around the price coming up, pulling back towards 1160, then closing bullish off it. The day previously closing bullish again, closing above the most recent high. We did sell off a little bit from the day's highs, but the price action is still bullish. So go down to the hourly. Let's just see if I make sure I haven't missed anything. So I did say pullbacks down to possibly the 50 period moving average in around the 1230s. The weekly open being these are areas I'm looking for support. 1215. Below that we have the 200 period moving average at about 1190. You're likely about 12 by the time price gets down there. And obviously ultimately we do have the 1160, which has acted as support on quite a few occasions over the past couple of months. So my overall view is to buy the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.